The joy of unwrapping presents, the fellowship of family dinners and get-togethers, the mellow vibes of lining with friends. Feel-good opportunities abound at Christmas. But while most people are off the clock enjoying the festivities, there are others on duty, providing essential services 24/7.
My name is Damon Lewis. I work with JUTC. Since 2001, I have worked every Christmas.
I am Nadine Rowe Fisher. I am a nurse manager at the Kingston Public Hospital. Coming out to work on a Christmas holiday, I have mixed feelings because naturally I want to be home with my family and my loved ones to share the festive season, but the reality is I have to go to work.
It is very important to have fire brigade persons working during the holidays because as they would always say, it's a silly season. And crazy, unexpected things happen.
Essential service workers like these civil servants are always on call, whether it's a regular workday or the most wonderful time of the year. By necessity, they are required to ensure that crucial services are always available for the people of this country.
To be working on a Christmas holiday, it gives me joy to interact with passengers. It's Christmas and people want to go around with their families or friends to enjoy themselves. Not to say that we don't want to go and enjoy ourselves, but we are providing a service. So it's an important part of our jobs to go out there and deliver what we are supposed to do.
If I'm rostered to work on that day, then we tend to want to enjoy ourselves prior to that day or post December 25th. So just to ensure that we enjoy what is left of the holiday or what is to come of the holiday.
If I have to come to work on a holiday, I kind of tell myself not to plan anything in detail that I'm going to go anywhere that will be occurring at the time when I should be on duty. So it makes it a little bit easier for me.
At the workplace, holidays like Christmas can be hectic for some public servants. Take the police and nurses, for example. Statistics show a spike in road crashes during the festive season, and for nurses, that often means more road crash victims to treat.
You may come, nothing happens, thumbs up for that, but if somebody should really have a problem, you will start to know that they came to the facility and it is closed because everybody went off to have holiday.
These hard-working men and women often have to deal with difficult situations at a time when most people are off enjoying themselves.
There was this child who he went along with his friends to the beach. His parents weren't informed of where he was going. And apparently, according to what was reported to us, he got into some difficulties in the water. And his little friends, they just panicked, they ran. And then they came back and they told an adult what had happened. We actually attempted visitation and it was just sad. He did not pull through.
Corporal Hamilton has a similar story, but with a pleasant outcome.
We were at the station one afternoon when we got a call that there was a house on fire. When we responded and we went to the scene, there was this dwelling house on fire and everybody was just scampering around. So when we checked to ascertain as to if everybody was accounted for, they were saying that no, there is a small child that has not been accounted for. And we immediately went into rescue mode. A couple of us went in and we searched the entire building and we found the child on the bed, just huddled up trying to escape the heat, and we grabbed him and we ran out of the building.
Moments like those help to strengthen their resolve, motivating them to keep watch, to provide life-saving services to their fellow men.
I enjoy my job, so I come to work each day and I look for ways and means so I can help to enhance somebody else's life, and I've been doing that for the past 15 years with no regrets.
Corporal Hamilton enjoys doing his job. I am one that strives to do my job to the best of my ability. I've always given 100% to what I do.
I love to know that I transport somebody from here to there and they greet me well, I greet them back, I deal with them the way they're supposed to be dealt with.
Despite this love and dedication, working at Christmas can be hard for these committed civil servants. Still, they rise to the occasion.
to cope and to really survive in this type of environment where so many traumas and sad cases. You have to be able to sometimes just put yourself aside and you deal with the situation. Sometimes when you're finished, you have to get a debriefing and you really talk out what really happened.
As firefighters, we can't be too soft in carrying out our duties, because then that would bring our emotional side in too much, which would render us, not doing our duties as effectively as we'd want to. So we have to, grieve with whosoever is suffering that loss and move on.
This Christmas, as you gather with your family to devour a delicious holiday feast, give a thought to the men and women who are manning police stations, treating patients in hospital, responding to fire calls, and safely transporting passengers to their destinations. Civil servants on duty at Christmas.